After watching this, you are going to learn what is the funnel, the basic structure of the funnel, and how you can create a funnel for your business. Before that, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel because we share information on digital marketing, copywriting, sales, consumer psychology, and much more. So what is the funnel? Do you know that 20 years ago everybody didn't know about what is the website, but today at this time you have to have a website to exist in this business world. That's kind of funnels are today. Funnels are the future. Funnels are the revolution of the website. As Dan Kennedy, one of the greatest marketers in the world, said, whoever can spend the most to acquire a customer wins. This is the most important thing to understand in the business and marketing world. Let's move on to the story. His name is Russell Brunson. He is #1 sales funnel expert in the world. 20 years ago, he was studying in his high school. At this time, he learned how to create a potato gun. Then he became an expert in creating it. After that, he made a video on how to create a potato gun. He converted it into a DVD. Basically, he created an information product of $37 on how to create a potato gun. So back then, there was only good platform called a Google. He built his first website and started to sell on it. He was investing $10 a day in Google Ads and getting one sale a day. So he was investing $10 and making 37. In that way, he was making $27 pure profit every single day. Interesting, isn't it? After few good days, Google changed its algorithm and increased their ad costs. One day he woke up and saw that ads were running the same, clicks were the same, but now to get the same amount of traffic, he was spending $50 a day instead of $10. Now he was spending $50 and making 37 back. He was actually losing money. After 3 to 4 days, he turned off his website. He was frustrated because now he couldn't able to earn money like before. This is happening with every entrepreneur. They are spending more money on ads and they are losing all money. That's why they can't be profitable. They can't grow. After a few days, one of his friends called him and said, "Hey Russell, I have figured it out." He started to tell about the upsells. Russell asked, "What is upsells?" "Upsells is the kind of a McDonald's." His friend replied, "They sell hamburger for $2 to $3 and they spend $3 to $4 ads and promotion. But after you go there, they add a little sentence, 'Do you want fries and Coke with that?' The majority of people say, 'Oh yes, sure.' They spend $3 to $4 on ads and promotions and they make $2 to $3 on it. They lose $1, then they add fries and Coke and boom, they are profitable now." What his friend did was, he started adding the upsells, the next thing they need after purchasing your first product. Russell asked how it will work in my potato gun. "Hey Russell, what's the next thing they need after purchasing your DVD?" Friend replied. Russell said pipes, glue, igniters, and much more things. "Why don't you sell a kit as an upsell?" His friend replied. Russell said, "It's cool, let's try it." He created an upsell of $197 and started his website again. He was spending $50 a day and getting 37 back. And then the magic happened. 1 out of every 3 people who purchased his DVD end up buying with $197 upsell. 1 out of 3 means extra $65 per sale. Now he was spending $50 a day and making $102 a day back. Then the whole light bulb went off his head. If you can spend the most money to acquire a customer, you win. He started getting excited. He found that there are so many ways to build the funnels. Right now, he can build a funnel for any business in this world. Then he started going to any competitive market and started to spend more money than them. Till he was profitable because he was using the funnels. He started beating his all competitors. Now, if you are in a business and you are making a break even or even losing money, then the funnel is a secret for you. If you are doing business and you want to grow, then funnel is a secret for you. You can grow your business using funnels. Think about your existing website, how you can turn your website into a profitable funnel so you can make more conversions and money. And yes, there are many funnels out there. Some funnels are for generating leads, some for getting them into your physical location, some of them for selling your product online, and many more. If you want to discover all of them, then I recommend you to read his first book called .com Secret. If you want to read that book, then I am giving you the link in the description. Click that link, purchase it, and the best part is the book is absolutely free. You just need to cover the shipping charges. Comment down if you have a funnel for your business or not. If you want more videos like this, then hit that like button because it gives me a motivation. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.